It turns out that Lamborghini and Porsche share more in common than simply their teaser strategies, since both released precisely cropped images of impending cars. But what stood out the most is that the Italians are about to revive their Estoque, a brand new four-door sedan concept car that premiered at the 2008 Paris Auto Show. Yes, you heard that right, a four-door sedan in a Lamborghini. So where did Lamborghini get this design, and what features does it have to offer? We must agree that this is a fascinating four-door coupe concept, even though we were hoping it was the long-rumoured four-seater Spada. Some were uncertain of how effectively the design language that works so well for Lamborghini supercars transfers to a sedan, while others appreciate it, even if the Estoque is unquestionably more exotic-looking than the Mercedes-Benz CLS and Porsche Panamera. It has to be among the most attractive Lamborghinis of recent years. The Estoque is slightly shorter than the Mercedes-Benz S-Class at 205 inches and roughly 20 inches longer than the Murcielago to accommodate the extra passengers and a few golf bags. The interior room will be large because of the 119-inch wheelbase that clearly distinguishes the regular and long wheelbase Estoque. Our best assumption of the vehicle is that it will serve as the foundation for both a hypothetical production of a four-door Lamborghini and a new generation of Lambos. It will be covered in leather and equipped with a variety of high-tech amenities, such as a huge LCD display and a rear-seat entertainment system. There are no clear plans on how the Estoque will be revived, but there are some hints. Without a doubt, the Estoque, the carmaker's first sedan, takes many of its aesthetic ideas straight from two Lamborghini models, although the switch from coupe to sedan isn't as seamless as one might wish. The Lamborghini Estoque is connected by two more doors than we're used to seeing on cars wearing the snorting bull badge, but they unfortunately don't open vertically. Ever since the four-door Lamborghini Estoque debuted in concept form at the 2008 Paris Motor Show, rumors have been flying around about a potential production model. And although while Lamborghini has mostly remained mute on the matter, fresh information has now surfaced. So this will be one of the topics that Lamborghini fans have been thoroughly researching. The Estoque is the first ever Lamborghini concept to be unveiled in this segment, and we, its admirers, are shocked, happy and enthusiastic. However, so far, Lamborghini hasn't truly produced a four-door sedan. Get comfortable in your seats and grab your scarves because the journey will be brisk. According to Reggiani, the new model will be more in line with the Urus than with sports vehicles and will have a more mature look. When it was initially revealed at the 2008 Paris Motor Show, everyone was almost drooling all over the floor from its looks. It had adopted an Audi 8's glossy aluminum space brand and learned how to use leverage to give us a Galado's 556 horsepower, which it then sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It also has Lamborghini's signature angles that are evident throughout the vehicle's exterior and interior. And here's a little-known fact. Compared to the Porsche Panamera, a four-door sedan from the same Volkswagen group, it completely obliterates it. Lamborghini required an idea that was at least slightly life-altering to stand out in the competitive sedan market. At first, the vehicle was intended to be shaped like a sedan, but with an electric twist. It was only going to employ a twin-turbo 4-litre V8 and the powertrain with no emissions by modifying the JCI platform. It wasn't going to use any naturally aspirated 5.2-litre or 6.5-litre V-pump engines. The Porsche Taycan and the Audi e-tron GT both ride on this platform. The 2+2 automobile hasn't quite gotten the go-ahead, but because R&D chief Mauricio Reggiani said that 2025 might be the year, there's still hope that it will be put on the market with the upcoming improvements in battery technology. We estimate that this vehicle would go at a speed of more than 350 miles per hour or 563 kilometers per hour. Lamborghinis must be swift, else their reputation would be destroyed. People choose a vehicle that would take shorter than 3 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour. The Estoque's rear wheel arches provide drama and imagination, which was similar to rivets and had fighter jet inspiration. The front LEDs were similar to the Gallardo's. Even though it has a front engine, this vehicle bridges the gap between mid-engine Lamborghinis from the 2000s and 2010s. This four-door car was ready for production. It wasn't simply a work of fiction. It was constructed to gauge market interest before entering full-scale manufacturing. In reality, everything was present that was necessary for an instant spread. The Gallardo LP 560 dashboard's 5.2-litre V10 engine, which weighed 398 pounds as previously stated, was housed under the hood. Now that they want to introduce it to the market, the business has also stated that they may provide a V12 V-hybrid power plant. This bull was running over extremely dangerous terrain. Basically, the front is 22 inches wide and the rear is 23 inches wide. It imitated a Gallardo in that power was delivered via a permanent four-wheel drive system and a twin-clutch automatic gearbox. But the Gallardo was unable to offer the Stoke's estimated adult comfortable seating space and also the abundance of space for keeping your vacation luggage while you're running into the sunset at a speed of 200 miles per hour. Those fancy scissor doors will not be seen on it, but this four-door design is just fabulous. Anything more of the Lamborghini structure would have merely given it an alien appearance rather than a cool one. This vehicle is ideal for our everyday driving requirements, and it's available in a brand new, adaptable Lamborghini design. With its effortless appeal, this automobile may fit into your varied lifestyle quite effortlessly. It is a first-rate sports car for your athletics requirements and a very useful GT for your family life. Everyone had assumed that because it was a $230,000 idea and that it wouldn't be put on the market for sale at the moment, it wouldn't actually be available for purchase. That's just ludicrous. There is no formal justification for why it wasn't posted. Perhaps the corporation decided that building the other models would be a better idea, and it was successful commercially. Perhaps there weren't too many wealthy families that desired to travel in luxury for their beach holiday. Another source also stated that the automobile hadn't advanced to the planning stage of manufacture and that the production had been mostly delayed because of sales and marketing considerations. Reiterating my earlier statement, most wealthy families do not desire a vehicle of this caliber for their family. It still makes sense to be one of those wants that can be offered to the most discriminating of the privileged without changing anything about its design. It still has the freshness of a new Lamborghini design. Even after the introduction of so many designer automobiles, it remains a terminal and maintains its stunning appearance. It remains to be seen if Lamborghini will actually introduce this market beauty in 2025. Will they finally understand that we Lamborghini fans are getting impatient? Will they ever understand that everyone needs a four-door Lamborghini car to ride out into the sunset? What do you think of its specifications? That's all from this video. See you in the next one.